has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 230, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Culpeper, Goochland, Louisa, Nottoway, Orange, Powhatan, and Spotsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the
Why didn't my version 5s activate?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Loudon County in northern Virginia, the west central city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, north central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, Prince William County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in northern
This
Virginia.
is a big one.
Until 4:30 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Warrenton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Centerville, Dale City, Fairfax, Warrenton, Lake Ridge, Linton Hall, Oakton, Chantilly, Montclair, Bull Run, Haymarket, Manassas, Sutter Lake, Manassas Park, Fairfax Station, Gainesville, New Baltimore, Independence Hill, Milksville, and Opal. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.